Here in Fremont, Utah, DUP marker 414, the first sawmill. Says in 1877, William Morrell brought a water-powered sawmill into Rabbit Valley from Camas, Utah. The mill was located near Mill Meadows, 3 miles northeast of Fremont, and was operated successfully for several years by William, his son Silas, and Danial G. Bryan. Logs were dragged by the oxteam from Pole Canyon to the mill, and the mill lumber was used to build some of the first buildings in Rabbit Valley, much needed in the new settlement. When a serious accident disabled Silas, the mill was sold to Hanson and Hiet Maxfield, who operated it until it burned down. These mill wheels, bearing the manufacture date of 1862, were buried in the ground below Meadow Mill. In August of 1972, they were rescued, restored, and brought to this site by Eldon Morrell.